In our lives, we only take a few oaths. Perhaps as a scout, certainly to your spouse, maybe to your God. And for those who serve in uniform, that oath which you are about to take. It is different because in this oath, you give a public statement of commitment not to a person or a political party, but to an idea. An idea codified in the Constitution of the United States. And today you are recommitting yourself to upholding all that America stands for. It ensures that we remain true to the Constitution's fundamental purposes and guiding principles ratified by we the people. So when you pledge to bear true faith and allegiance to the same, you swear to defend the very ideas and beliefs of our nation. This is tremendously powerful, and this is why we are the greatest military the world has ever known.